If you run a Shopify store today, you are facing a crisis. You spend thousands on ads to drive traffic. People are adding to cart, they are initiating checkout, and they are buying. But your ad platforms, Google, Facebook, TikTok, are blind to half of it. Why? Because the old way of tracking is dead. iOS privacy updates, Safari's intelligent tracking prevention (ITP), and aggressive ad blockers are blocking your browser pixels. You are getting sales in Shopify, but your ad managers show zero conversions. Your ROAS looks terrible, and your algorithms can't optimize because they aren't getting the data they need. You are flying a plane with no instruments. This is where I come in. Hello, I am MD Niamul. I am a conversion tracking specialist delivering precise Google Ads and web analytics solutions. I don't just install standard pixels. I engineer advanced data infrastructures for e-commerce brands. Alhamdulillah, since 2022, I have successfully completed over 850 projects. I have helped my clients generate over 11 million USD in revenue by fixing their broken tracking. I give them the truth about their performance. To fix Shopify tracking, we must start with the foundation, the data layer. Standard Shopify integrations are notoriously incomplete. As a specialist, I implement a robust custom data layer using Google Tag Manager. I write custom code to expose every critical detail in a language marketing platforms understand. I track precise product IDs, variant prices, customer provided data, and exact cart values. This ensures that when a purchase happens, GA4 and Google Ads receive the exact revenue amount. They receive the exact revenue amount, not just a generic conversion count. But a data layer isn't enough anymore. You must move from client-side tracking to server-side tracking. I migrate your tracking infrastructure to a secure cloud server. This is game-changing. By using server-side GTM, we bypass ad blockers and ITP restrictions. We achieve up to 99% data accuracy. We also speed up your Shopify site because fewer scripts are loading in the user's browser. I implement multi-channel conversion APIs. I send precise server-to-server events directly to Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, and Snapchat. I even integrate Klaviyo for your email marketing. This feeds the ad algorithms the high-quality data they are desperate for. My service is a complete ecosystem. I ensure third-party checkouts like Stripe or PayPal are tracked accurately. I track every transaction, even those through external checkout providers. I implement Google Consent Mode to keep your business GDPR compliant. I connect your Shopify store to CRMs like HubSpot or Salesforce using automation tools like N10 and Zapier. This allows us to link offline sales directly back to your ad campaigns. Finally, I visualize it all. I build automated data visualizations using Google Looker Studio and BigQuery SQL, giving you a single source of truth to measure and scale your global performance. It's time to stop guessing and start scaling with confidence. Contact me now via WhatsApp or the booking link below.